Welcome to an exploration of the fascinating intersection between history and modern design, where we delve into the transformation of old colonial wooden furniture into contemporary masterpieces. This journey not only highlights the rich heritage of craftsmanship from various cultures but also emphasizes the innovative spirit that drives today's design trends. As we navigate through this topic, we will uncover the stories behind these timeless pieces, understanding how they can be reimagined to suit the aesthetic and functional demands of the modern world. Whether you are a design enthusiast, a history buff, or simply curious about furniture transformation, there is much to discover in how we can breathe new life into beloved relics of the past. In today's rapidly evolving design landscape, the importance of sustainability and individuality cannot be overstated. The transformation of colonial wooden furniture allows us to embrace eco-friendly practices while creating unique, personalized pieces that reflect our values and lifestyles. Each item carries with it a narrative, a connection to its origins that can be preserved even as its form changes. As we delve deeper into this subject, we will explore various design strategies, materials, and techniques that enable us to honor the legacy of colonial craftsmanship while infusing contemporary relevance. Join us on this inspiring journey as we celebrate the art of transformation, bridging the gap between past and present in the world of furniture design. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a deep dive into the fascinating transformation of old colonial wooden furniture into contemporary designs. We're committed to bringing you one insightful video each day, showcasing the artistry and innovation that breathe new life into these timeless pieces. If you find value in our content, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share with friends and family who appreciate design and craftsmanship. Your support helps us continue to explore the rich stories behind furniture and the creative processes that shape our modern interiors. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of blending history with contemporary style. The journey of furniture design reflects the evolution of culture, technology, and aesthetics. Old colonial wooden furniture, with its rich history and craftsmanship, offers a unique foundation for modern reinterpretations. This transformation involves not just a shift in style but also a reimagining of functionality, usability, and context. As we explore this process, it becomes clear that the essence of traditional craftsmanship can coexist with contemporary design principles. Colonial furniture embodies the stories of the past, showcasing the artistry of artisans who worked with the resources available to them. These pieces often feature intricate details, robust construction, and a sense of identity tied to their origins. To transform such furniture for the modern world, one must honor this heritage while adapting to current tastes and lifestyles. This balance of preservation and innovation is essential in creating pieces that resonate with today's consumers. In contemporary design, minimalism and simplicity often take center stage. Therefore, the first step in transforming colonial furniture is to strip away excess ornamentation while maintaining the integrity of the original piece. This can involve smoothing surfaces, refining shapes, and focusing on clean lines that appeal to modern sensibilities. By doing so, the furniture gains a fresh look without losing its historical significance. Color also plays a vital role in this transformation. While colonial furniture often features dark, rich tones, contemporary styles may favor lighter, more neutral palettes. Refinishing old pieces with lighter stains or even bold, unexpected colors can breathe new life into them. This not only modernizes the aesthetic but also makes the furniture more versatile, allowing it to fit seamlessly into a variety of interior styles. Functionality is another critical aspect of modern design. Traditional colonial furniture was often built for specific purposes, which may not align with today's needs. For example, a large, ornate dining table might be reimagined as a more practical, multifunctional piece that serves as a workspace or gathering area. Adding elements like hidden storage or modular components can enhance usability while retaining the charm of the original design. Sustainability has become a significant focus in modern furniture design. By repurposing old colonial wooden furniture, designers can reduce waste and promote environmentally friendly practices. This approach not only preserves the history of the materials but also aligns with the growing consumer demand for sustainable products. Emphasizing the use of reclaimed wood and eco-friendly finishes can further enhance the appeal of these transformed pieces. Moreover, incorporating contemporary materials and techniques can elevate the transformation process. For instance, combining traditional wooden elements with metal, glass, or fabric can create a striking contrast that highlights both the old and the new. This fusion not only showcases the beauty of diverse materials but also allows for innovative design solutions that cater to modern lifestyles. The emotional connection that people have with old furniture cannot be overlooked. Many individuals possess heirloom pieces that hold sentimental value, yet may feel outdated in their current form. By transforming these items, designers can create a bridge between nostalgia and contemporary living. This process allows individuals to retain cherished memories while adapting to their current tastes and needs. Collaboration with artisans who specialize in both traditional and modern techniques can enhance the transformation process. These skilled craftsmen possess an understanding of historical methods and can apply them in innovative ways. Their expertise ensures that the integrity of the original piece is maintained while introducing contemporary elements that resonate with today's aesthetic sensibilities. The market for transformed colonial furniture is expanding, as consumers seek unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that tell a story. This trend reflects a broader movement towards personalization in design, where individuals desire furniture that reflects their values and lifestyle. As such, transformed colonial pieces can serve as focal points in modern interiors, sparking conversations and evoking curiosity. Additionally, the digital age has opened new avenues for showcasing transformed furniture. Online platforms allow designers to reach a global audience, promoting their work and connecting with potential buyers. This accessibility encourages creativity and innovation, as designers can draw inspiration from diverse sources and adapt their creations for a wide range of styles and preferences. Finally, the transformation of old colonial wooden furniture into contemporary designs is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a dialogue between the past and the present. It's about recognizing the value of craftsmanship while embracing modernity. This process invites us to reflect on our relationship with furniture and the stories that each piece carries, enriching our living spaces with history and contemporary relevance. In summary, the transformation of colonial wooden furniture involves a thoughtful blend of preservation and innovation. By reimagining these pieces for the modern world, we honor their history while adapting them to contemporary needs and tastes. This journey not only revitalizes old furniture but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship that defines our shared heritage. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the transformation of old colonial wooden furniture into modern designs. If you found the content inspiring, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share with others who might appreciate this journey. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating engaging content that celebrates the fusion of history and contemporary design. Stay tuned for more exciting videos ahead.